It's just always we listen to you with rapt attention, and we note down the type of work that we'll have to start doing afresh. And you set very, very tough targets, and we try to live up to your expectation, but in doing so, we learn so much. And your graciousness, your hospitality is what is going to attract. It's going to make our life easier by getting people over to Andhra Pradesh to invest. And every time we have any forum, global forum there, you host it so magnificently, and you lay out the red carpet for industry. You give the space and partnership to industry, talking about wealth creator and livelihood creator. So, sir, we will live up to your expectation, hopefully. Thanks for giving the opportunity of doing the Global Leadership Center. It's going to be as amazing as what you started, sir. The first time that you gave us opportunity to build the Green Business Center in Hyderabad, way back in early 2000, and today it is given India 14.82 billion square feet of green space. It was your creation, you inaugurated it, you laid the foundation stone with the then President of India. So your vision and your space is just something which really encourages us. So we really appreciate your taking time out today and giving this wonderful, wonderful visionary address today. And the first person who will really look at a GCC very soon is the person sitting to your right. So that was the first catch that I could think of. and I'll ask him to conclude the session with a commitment. Rajiv.
It'll be a privilege and a pleasure. I was just, as Honorable Chief Minister was walking, and he was sitting, I said, "You're a magician." The idea, everyone can, to create an idea, to package it, then the conviction to sell it and to push it, that's very, very unique. And I think it's really, really, I've now heard it many times, and every time you learn more, and the passion and the zeal for the country and for the state, it just comes through. And it's incredible. So the power of vision, the power of ambition, the power of intellect, the power of the entrepreneurial zeal, and the execution capacity. We see all this in Naidu Garu. And that's why he's when investors come, it's very hard to walk away from him. So he will ensure that he will shake your hands, he'll sign a deal, and he'll ensure that something gets done in Andhra. So I can, on behalf of all of you, I can just wish him all the best for the sake of Andhra Pradesh, for the sake of our country, and for the upliftment of India as a country. So thank you very much, sir. Whatever you do for Andhra, whatever you do for India, it is really, really great. I wish we have more leaders like you, and even greater, I'm sure we'll have greater success in years to come. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
The first catch, sir.
No, I thought he's not announcing. He announced now. Otherwise, I won't leave him. I'm very happy for that. At least all of you, come to Amaravati, have my hospitality. Even if you have any reservations to start industry, have my hospitality first phase. Then I will expect your investment afterwards. Thank you, Ananda.